Okay, folks, it's about 5 a.m. Friday morning, June 11th. We're headed to St. Petersburg, Florida. Right now, we're on our way to CVG, the Greater Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky Airport, to get underway. This is going to be day one. Can't wait. That was the bomb dog. Susan's bag's got to get inspected.
I can be here
every time. Okay guys, we got our seat assignment, so we're ready to go. We're going to be boarding in about 5 minutes, so we'll be boarding soon, and the next time we see you, we'll be in Tampa.
Thank you for your attention. Welcome aboard.
We're on our flight, we got our seats, we're ready to go. We are last class people, last class.
Classless.
Classless. We're in the very back. Must have been raining. All right, we made it to our cottage right here. As you can see up right there, that's our door to our cottage. We don't have access to it till 4, so we're gonna go to John's Pass and hang out, just see what's going on down there, probably eat some seafood, have a few mixed cocktails, but we're very excited, aren't we? Ready, Susan?
Ready.
Let's do it. Okay, we're at John's Pass Grill. First stop, we're just gonna fuel up a little bit. We're hungry, we haven't eaten today. We're gonna fuel up, we're gonna go head over and grab some drinks. And maybe some shopping. Okay, our food's here, folks. I got the grouper, the blackened grouper, which is right there. Some hush puppies, some coleslaw. Okay, Susan got a monster burger. Some well done French fries, just the way she loves them.
Enjoy.
Okay, we finished with lunch, so we're ready to go grab some drinks. We're at John's Pass. We're on the not on the boardwalk, but we're just going past a bunch of shops. I'll let you see what we're doing here. Okay, we're just walking down the strip here at John's Pass. You can get t-shirts and all the normal tourist trap stuff. Sunglasses, which I think we're going into. Over here off to the side, they got all your beach wear, and that store, I believe, just has snorkeling gear, beach wear, anything you need for basically going to the beach. Go there. And here's the sunglass place. Okay, we finished on the sunglasses. Now Susan, she's gonna go look at hats. She needs a hat.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? He's down here.
You looking for
That one.
what? You looking for cowboy?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, Susan, show us what you got here. She got her hat now and her sunglasses.
I'm good to go.
She's good to go. All right, we're gonna cruise down here a little bit more. My store's coming up here on the right at the next set of stores. Kind of excited about that. They have an ice cream shop here. You want ice cream? We don't want ice cream, so we're not gonna stop at this one.
Oh, no, that's probably all. I've never eaten that either.
More sunglasses. Shirts. Other tourist. More t-shirts. Soaps and sponges. Let's go see what these guys got. They look like natural sponges. Okay guys, went to the soap shop. It's called Lori's Soap and Sponge Market. Lori's Soap and Sponge Market. It's supposed to be all natural, great for sensitive skin. Okay, I got a couple cigars here. That little one's looking pretty good. There's a bar right next door. Mad Pub. I can actually go in here and smoke this. We're gonna go in here and have our cold drink right now. Right here in Mad Pub. Alright, we're now at Mad Pub, Madeira Beach. We finally got our first drink. I got something red and cold. Even has the cider. Time to get this vacation started right now. Cheers to everybody out there. Cheers to those who are going to be here with us. I wish you luck. We're here at John's Pass. We're on the boardwalk. We'll probably do some jet skiing this week from this place right here. We got some sunset booze cruises going. You can see the drawbridge in the back. Alright folks, it's that time. It's almost 4, not quite 4. We got about another 10-15 minutes before we can enter the property. The door code activates at 4 p.m. so we're going to take a little walk. We're right next to a marina, so we're going to take a little walk over here and see what's going on. We got a car coming, so we gotta wait. Got a little marina over here, and well, really, let me show you over here. If you can see back this way, if you walk back this way, it goes straight to the beach. So it's just a couple minute walk to the beach. And then there's a marina here that we're going to take a look at real quick. And I'll switch the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. This particular camera, I gotta pause before I flip. Okay. Alright, here's the marina. Lots of very expensive boats. Let me flip this camera around. Let's see, some yachts. Probably not going to take that kind of boat trip. Some of these properties you can see right here. I mean, if you stay there, you've got your own little boat slip, right? That might be somebody's house. Probably is somebody's house, I would assume. Might have one of these big, nice boats if you don't have a house to go with it. And then here's our bungalow right there, where we're waiting for 4 p.m. Just notice this too. There's our bungalow. I just showed you this marina right here. This street right here dead ends into another marina. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. There's another marina back there. So we're surrounded by water here. A little island, sort of. It's our bungalow. Sandy shores. Okay, folks, we're finally in the little cottage. It's a little, I don't know what you'd call this. Living room / sunroom, maybe. I don't know.
TV room.
Some couches. Something on the couch. I don't know what the hell that is, but it doesn't look sanitary. Somebody spilled the paint or something. We got freezer. We can put some ice in there. Actually, it looks like it has an ice machine.
Yeah.
It's not working though. There's a couple ice cubes in it. The fridge is it's a little tiny kitchen. Just neat, I guess. A little coffee maker. Damn, they even have a little range. Stove there. Old timey stove. Look at that.
It's cute. Not cooking the turkeys in that.
We're not cooking at all. We ain't come on vacation to cook. Alright, and then bedroom. Fan. AC. We haven't put anything away yet. We just got the luggage in. Decided to do a quick walkthrough. Got the whatever that is, swans. 9 swans. It's really it's a nice size. That's bigger than a living room TV. Little shower. Not much. That'll do it. Works for me. Small little bathroom. People can see your shit. Not too bad. Folks, this thing is fully stocked. It's got all the dishes I guess you need. Let's see, even some lighters in there. I guess if people need to grill out, they have grills out back. Silverware. We're not going to be using any of this stuff because, again, we're not cooking. This is a vacation. We're
It's a
not.
blender.
Well, we could probably make some drinks if we're going to hang out at the pool. There is a pool here. I'll show you later whenever we find out where it is. But it's enough. Definitely enough. Okay, folks, so we're unpacking and looked over here. We got a little walk-in closet. Plenty of space. We're unpacking to this. And you got like a vacuum cleaner, and we probably won't get dirty enough for that, but you hang shirts up, whatever. There's a little lizard down there. You see him?
There's another one somewhere. Yeah. He's under the show.
This is our little common area. I'll do another video on it, but just right here is got a small pool. It does have a swim jet, so if you want to swim, turn that on and you swim against the current, I guess is how that works.
We'll find out.
And then we got a little sitting area with looks like a fire pit over here, and then back there around the corner is a grill if you want to grill something out, and another sitting area. Okay, folks, I don't know how the sound's gonna be on this one because the wind's blowing. I didn't bring my lavalier mics. Well, they're actually, I did bring them. They're back at the cottage. This is Madeira Beach. You're looking at the Gulf of Mexico. You can see that next beach down there, that's Treasure Island. Beautiful lady. In front there is Susan. Probably looking for shark's teeth. Gulf of Mexico. Best place for a sunset. Right there in between those two buildings, the pink building and the blue building, that's where we came in at. And then where that palm tree is, that's the road. And our cottage is just a couple blocks on the other side of that. Hey everybody, we're at Pirates Pub N Grub at John's Pass. We walked back to John's Pass after dropping off the car. We're gonna do a few drinks and some dinner. We'll get that. And I'll show you some pictures of our drinks. Pirates Punch. Susan has her cider. We're gonna hang out here for a little while and see what the food's like. I ordered the lobster roll and the shrimp. So we'll see how it goes. This might be a mainstay for us. Here's their menu. Look at this strawberry mango daiquiri. Doesn't that look delightful? Okay, we just got finished eating at Pirates Pub N Grub, which you can see in the sign right behind me. It was a great experience. Nicole, our bartender, took really good care of us. If you like a good crab roll, this is the place to come get it. It's really good. If you want to see more, I will put this in TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and just see more of what we're doing. Okay, folks, we just got finished eating at Pirates Pub N Grub. I had an egg roll. Susan?
You didn't have an egg roll. You had a crab roll.
Take two.